Okay, now we're going to show you some different ranges in gear range 2, the red, 112 RPM. Now we're going to go higher to the gray, which is 280 RPM. We're just giving you a sample because these all sound great. 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Let's go to range 3, and we'll stick with the red of 355 RPM. And now we'll switch to higher 900 RPM in the range 3 still.
Which one was 900?
Go to gray. There you go. Okay, now we'll switch to 4. And we'll go red, which is 450. And now let's go to 1120 RPM, which is gray. And cut.